Welcome guys. In this video we are going to see how we can uninstall VS Code completely, including its settings and extensions. So first of all we need to search the VS Code. Then I am searching here. Then uninstall the VS Code. It took me here. Then it will open. Then I will search for my VS Code. So search Microsoft Visual. So after this you will see here Microsoft Visual Studio Code, then click here, then uninstall. So it will take few so it will take time to so it has been uninstalled now. So you have to do two more things. Go to this PC and go to C and then go to user, then go to your username Ripun, and then first of all you will see here .vs code folder. You have to delete this, so I am deleting this code. Then it will take some time to delete this code, so wait for some time. Then go to app data. If you not able to see this app data folder, then go to view and then go to show and then click on hidden item because it is hidden folder. So go to app data, then roaming, and then delete the code folder as well. So I am deleting it completely, so it will delete the code folder as well. Now close this window and then refresh, then refresh, more refresh, and this is copy of shortcut, so I am deleting this as well. Then your VS Code has been uninstalled completely, so you can now install the VS Code. It will be a fresh new VS Code. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel for same like this video.